Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to post your video from PitchHub by downloading it with a thumbnail into your Facebook for Business in the Creator Studio. So when your project is completed in PitchHub, you will be either in the activity area to confirm that it's approved or in the media area. If you're in the media area, this upper first video, this is the final version. You can click it and watch it. If you want to change the thumbnail, you just move the playhead anywhere in the video. Let's say we want to use this as the thumbnail and then set that as the video cover. So now that becomes the video thumbnail. Okay, so to download it, I would hit download and exports. This will allow me to download that as a thumbnail. So I'm going to click that now, and you can see it's downloading on the right here and already downloaded. And then if I want to download the video, I would just click this version. The little arrow is for different quality settings. If you just hit download, it's the highest quality setting. I've already downloaded that, so I'll show you. It's in my downloads folder. So next, now that those two assets are downloaded to your computer, you're going to go over to Facebook. So I'm an admin on the PitchHub page. So if I were to upload a video, I want to show you what it looks like on the Facebook page. So I'm going to click the home button. And then you could do it two ways. You can either do photo video, so you click right here under create post, and it's going to ask you which video do you want to share. So I'm going to share this MP4 version, the 76 megabyte version. And you could see there's a couple of options. So I'm going to write a post, get to know Clark Kent, who is not Superman. And if I want to tag someone, I can tag a person or a business. Typically with Facebook pages, you want to tag a business. So I'm going to tag us just to give you an example. You do the @ symbol at the business. So you can add a couple things to your post. You can add a check-in for a location, a button for getting messages, and some of these other things in the video. If you want to get more specific, you would want to click video options. This allows you to give it the video title, get to know Clark Kent. And if you want to give it some searchable tags, here's some examples. So Superman. So you want to give it some tags that describe what the video is. And we'll just do Clark Kent. And you hit comma after each one. It says it right here, comma or space. Now if the video didn't have captions, you could actually auto-generate captions by sliding this on, or you could upload an SRT file, which we can provide for you. But remember, we include captions, as you see here, hi, I'm Clark Kent, already built in, so you don't have to slide this on. Now, if you want to change the thumbnail, you can actually choose an image. So it'll actually say choose an image. You can upload, which is going to say where do you want to upload it from. So here is our download. You can see a preview. So here's our downloaded thumbnail, and you can see that's an option. If I need to change it, you just hit that or the trash can. Or I could go through the video and choose any point in it, just like we do on our platform, to choose, maybe we want to use this frame instead, just to get people excited about the video. It's totally up to you. This is the cover shot. So we've got a title, tags. We can change the thumbnail in 3 different ways. We're going to hit save. All right. I still have not posted it yet, just to be clear. So I can either post this now, or I can schedule this post right here. So this is going to give me a calendar. So let's say today's the 21st. So let's say I want to share it tomorrow. And instead of 1:30 a.m., let's say I want to share it at 10 a.m. If I hit save, it's going to go back and save that. And then we're going to share it to post. So this is how you post to Facebook. You download the video. You download the thumbnail image. You go over to Facebook and you post. So that's one way. The other way is if you have Creator Studio set up, it's very similar. So you go to business.facebook.com under Creator Studio, and here you can actually push out content and schedule it and see what you've uploaded. This is a little bit more involved, so I'll just quickly walk through it. You would click Upload Video here in the green, or Content Library here, and click Upload Videos. And you can actually upload more than one at a time. Don't recommend that in the beginning. Here's our video that we downloaded in our downloads folder. And again, it takes you to a very similar window where it's going to ask you for the title, the post and then the tags just like we did. But as you can see, there's even more options here like tracking, tools, and polls, which is asking people a question, languages. So it's more, there's more steps if you're going to do it this way. And I'm not going to go through all those different steps today. You can just search on Facebook for Creator Studio how to upload via Facebook. So I'm going to exit without saving this. I'm going to go back to here so you can see what this looks like right after I hit post. And you would be sharing to your Facebook page. Now remember, you can always share whatever you post to your company Facebook page to your own Facebook page, your personal profile, if it's relevant. I would only share things if they're relevant. I hope that was helpful. I know it's quick and short. If you have any questions, email us at info@pitchhub.com. And be sure to also click that little question mark in the lower right-hand corner. This brings up our help, and we have lots of different help resources already built in. So if you click one and then you click this little arrow, you can actually go to our full library of help videos to help you do all these different things. Thanks for watching. Remember, PitchHub is here to make your life with video easier, to help you create more professional videos faster. Thanks again, and excited to hear what you create.